Watch this video and learn how to draw a snail. Later on, Bunny Fluffington sings a song. And watch to the end to see Artie take a potty break. Ooh, it's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello and welcome to Artie's show. Oh, that's me. I'm Artie. Oh,
That was a nice introduction, Artie.
yeah, I'm very, very happy today.
Oh, I'm so pleased, Artie. Let's make some art.
Okay. Woo!
Hey there, Artie.
Greetings, Artie!
Are you ready to make a drawing?
Yes, please.
Well, today we're going to draw a snail.
Oh, that's going to be fun. Yeah.
Do you have all your tools?
Yeah, I got my markers and my paper.
Well, then you're all set.
Okay, let's start. Yeah.
All right.
Let's hop to it!
Let's start by giving our snail some eyes. Draw a small oval shape towards the top of the page on the left side. Did you know, Artie, that snails' eyes are on little stalks on top of their heads?
No.
Yes, those stalks are actually called tentacles, and their eyes are on the top. If Artie's going a little bit too quick for you, little artists, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. Okay, Artie. Now it's time to draw the left eye. We'll draw a slightly smaller oval, very similar to the one that you already drew on the right side, though. Let's draw the little black dot towards the top on this eye. That'll help make our snail look sort of cross-eyed and silly. How about adding some eyebrows? Just a little triangle and shaded in black above the left eye, and of course the same above the right eye.
Art makes me so happy, Mikey!
Me too, Betty.
Now it's time to draw those little stalks.
Tentacles.
That's right, tentacles. Now the right eye. Can you imagine if our eyes were on little tentacle stalks? We'd be able to see over the neighbour's fence. Well, you've got to admit it could be quite useful. A nice big curvy J shape for the nose, and do a little smiley curve on the end. Now continue the head across the top, in between the tentacles, and then from the right tentacle, come all the way round. That's it. And now our snail has a neck as well.
Oh, Artie thinks it's time for a song break.
For a song break?
Yeah, song break! Song break!
Okay.
Let's go!
Now it's time to brush your teeth. Now it's time to brush your teeth. Now it's time to brush your teeth. It's time to brush your teeth. Now it's time to go to bed. Now it's time to go to bed. Now it's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. Now it's time to go to sleep. Now it's time to go to sleep. Now it's time to go to sleep. It's time to go to sleep. Now it's time to close your eyes. Now it's time to close your eyes. Now it's time to close your eyes. It's time to close your eyes. Now it's time to dream away. Now it's time to dream away. Now it's time to dream away. It's time to dream away.
Song break. That was a really good song break.
Yeah, it was, Artie, but it made me very sleepy. Should we finish the drawing?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Let's draw a squiggly line for the other side of our snail's neck, for the left side. That's it, nice and squiggly. Keep watching to see Artie take a potty break. Now let's draw the snail's tail. I think they have tails. A nice long squiggly line. And then draw a round end. That's it. And then squiggle your way back towards the front. Really good, Artie. That's a great start. What is that music? Oh no, Artie.
Hi. Painty! Oh no, Painty! Not now! Not
Oh, that's so funny.
Barry, it's not funny. Painty has made a big, yellowy, painty mess everywhere. Ugh, that little tube of paint drives me crazy. Oh, you've started the snail shell, Artie. Excellent. Start with a little circle in the middle and then spiral out, because snail shells are very spirally.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, that drawing is so smooth. It's like a jazz scat. Scooby-Doo, ba-doop-boop-boop-a-doop-doo. See you later.
Wow. Okay, thanks there, Barry. Thanks for that song that we didn't really ask for, but nonetheless, thank you. Okay, Artie, let's finish this snail's shell. I love drawing spirals. I love how they start really small and then they gradually grow as you wind round and become as big as you want. You could keep going forever if you didn't stop.
Yeah.
That is so cute.
Oh, hi, Bunny. We're glad you're watching. I didn't see you over there in the corner. Yes, it's a cute drawing. Oh, it's looking really good, Artie.
Oh, Artie need potty break.
Oh, you need to go potty?
Yeah,
Okay, you can go.
okay, potty break. I won't be long.
Okay, we'll be here.
Okay, Artie went potty.
Feel better now?
Yeah.
Good, let's carry on then.
Okay.
Let's add some blades of grass so it looks like our snail is slithering along through some grass somewhere. Oh, and let's add some little curves on the shell. That'll give the shell a bit more of a 3D feel, make it feel a little bit more curvy.
Hi, Artie.
Hi, Bunny.
That looks wonderful.
Oh, thank you.
Can you teach me how to make my carrots look that wonderful?
Yeah, maybe later. Bye.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, isn't she cute, Artie? She's always thinking about carrots, though. That girl has carrots on her mind all the time.
Yeah.
What incredible art!
Great job, buddy.
A few more little curves on the shell. That's it, Artie. Oh, it's starting to look really good. It might even be finished.
I'm finished.
I thought you might be. Looks really good, Artie.
Yeah.
You should colour it.
It's coloring time.
Oh, good.
Ooh.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Finished.
It looks really, really good, Artie. Are you happy with it?
Oh, came out so good.
It really did.
He's very, very happy.
Goodbye, Artie!
Hey, kids, have a great day.
Bunny wishes and carrot kisses!
That was a fun show. We hope you join us again next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye, little artists. Bye. Bye-bye.